Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through a demo and a quick review of Dell 4K 43-inch monitor. If that sounds good, stay tuned. I hope you enjoy the unboxing part. Now, let me walk you through a demo and review. Alright, let me grab a paper. So, this is an A4 sheet, so you get an idea of the size. As you can see, it's a big monitor. This could be too large for some users. People who just spend time on the net, on the internet, without doing anything special like video or photo editing. If they just spend time doing usual stuff, probably they'll be tired after a few hours because this is quite huge a monitor, right? Now, this monitor supports up to 4 different inputs simultaneously, and it may be ideal for someone who just looking into to consolidate into big monitor. So it's a 4K ultra high definition. It has two HDMI ports, two display ports, two USB and USB Type-C downstream port on the side, audio line output port. The list goes on. It's heavy, weighing almost 18 kilos. Now, for people who have a small room setup and you don't want to have a big monitor plus a TV, then this is your solution. Let's look into some of the features, um, starting with the front panel functions. You can operate pretty much everything using those controls. For instance, you don't have to install any software drivers, but it's much easier to do the configurations changes via Dell Display Manager. Um, so once you have downloaded and installed the latest DDM, you can launch it from notification area or the desktop icon. By default, it's open into the basic view where you can change and switch to recently use Windows layout. For the advanced configuration, you have to click on the Open Dell Display Manager. I won't go through all the different tabs, but let's focus on the easy arrange. From here, you can select large number of predefined window layout, or you can customize based on your requirement. When you select your layout, it will auto rearrange and move any open application into the selected layout. You can easily drag into a zone and it will resize automatically. Once the application in the frame, you can move freely and it won't affect others. Okay, let's focus into the input tab now. This is where we select various inputs and also picture by picture settings or the picture in picture settings. Here I just divided the screen into two different input at the moment. As you can see, I can still move things independently. There we go, just powered on my other PC into the HDMI port number 2. In a second, you can see that the PC is starting to boot. Now here I've selected 4 inputs simultaneously. You can see my existing source on the top. We can still create or use any layout with the multiple inputs. I haven't plugged any other inputs, but you get the idea. For any reasons, you need to duplicate a single input into 2, 3, even 4. You can certainly do. Well, there you have it, guys. What else I can say? I've been using this screen for more than a year. Brought it back in February 2022. Not disappointed at all. As I said, it may not suitable for everyone, right? But good replacement if you have multiple screens and multiple computers. Oh, I think I forgot to mention about this has built-in speakers as well, decent quality. Doesn't need any additional cables. Like you don't need to, add 3.5 jack or from the computer to the screen. If you're using USB-C or HDMI inputs as a source, it will just works fine. So I hope the review and the demo was useful. Thank you for watching. Please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.